In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this error whenever you're trying to run any particular application or a software. It says .NET Framework initialization error. To run this application, you must first install one of the following version of .NET Framework. Version 4.0, contact your application publisher for instructions about the obtaining appropriate version of .NET Framework. So this error might appear in Windows 11, Windows 10, or any other operating system version. Let's see how we can resolve this. First of all, just go to Google and write here .NET Framework, and it will show you this official website. From here, you can download the .NET Framework latest version. Click on that. And after that, we have the latest supported versions like 4.8.1, 4.8, 4.72, and others. But we need to check the error, what version is required. So it says 4.0, your error might be different. So if it is not 4.7, 4.8, what you can click is on out of support versions. So here we find .NET Framework 4.0. Click on that. It will take some time and it will be downloaded towards you, right? Okay, basically we need to click on offline installer, click on the runtime, and then it starts the download. It will only take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. So once the installation is complete, we just click run, click yes, and it's already installed. You do not need to install this. Same or higher version is already installed. So otherwise you just click continue, and it is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. You just click on next and install, and that's it. After that, your error should be gone and you should be able to run the application smoothly. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.